Who decides what original means? Who aspires and who's the wannabes? Upon the shoulders of giants, I've got a long way to drop. Oh, I never get here on my own. See the view from the top.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the MH-47 helicopter from United States of America. If you are one of my followers, you know I already designed a variant of this helicopter that it's the CH-47 Chinook, and if you don't, why not? Check the video that you can find here in the right up corner or caption the video. Obviously, here we have some differences, but they are the only thing I would like to show you in this video, while for the other features, I already shown you everything in the previous video, so you can check that one. Here maybe we can have a fast recap, but the full review is available already for the CH-47 that you can see here. Moreover, in the caption of the video you can also find many useful links, such as the one to get the instructions to this helicopter and all other designs I made until now, the full set, playlist with all my other designs, and now we can start with the differences. We can keep this one here, so it's easier to notice what's changed. The first thing, I think it's pretty obvious, it's the color. I think this one, it's easy to notice. Sorry guys, but when I finished recording the video I noticed something was missing, and it's this sensor here under the nose. Now it's not something I needed to design specifically for this mock, it's a sensor present on other helicopters I designed before, so I only needed to copy and paste. Maybe this was the reason because I forgot it, but again, sorry, this will be missing in the rest of the video and it's not present in many renderings, but I really didn't want to redo everything again only for this little detail. So it's present of course in the main photo, but don't worry, of course, as you can see it's part of the design and it's present of course in the final instructions. Sorry again, and I hope you will still enjoy the rest of the video. But not only that, we also have here this probe mechanism. This one is needed to air refueling this helicopter, and here we have something different from the CH-47 because we have this door. Now this door can be opened first up here like this, that's it, we don't have so much, but you can also open this part like this. Now you can notice something weird. Yeah, we have this part. In real life you can't open it like in the CH-47, so the best solution was to make this part here the touch ball, so you can disconnect this part very easily, so you disconnect it, and then you can open this one without problems and keep it like this. Well, actually also this one should be disconnected. Okay, here you can see some green parts. These are not present in the final product, this should be in dark bluish gray, but yes, some bright green parts are present in the instructions, and these are parts not usually visible, so you can change them with the cheapest solution available. Another difference is present here on this other side, where we have this pod with electronics and more military stuff. Then we have this long bar. I have no idea what's the purpose for it, but we have it. And then here we have different engines exhaust, while here you can see the original one. So I changed this gray part here with this, but if you still like the previous version, you can still remove this one and connect the the version present on the CH-47. These are the differences, so as usual it's up to you choosing the one you like most. If you already watched the previous CH-47 video, you can close this one now. We don't have anything else new to check. But for who's more lazy and want just a recap, very fastly I show you the other features of this helicopter. Obviously the rotors can rotate and move in every direction because we have a ball joint, so you can rotate it, whee! And also tilt them, well, not so much like in the program, but yes, you can tilt them. Here the top roof can be disconnected entirely like this, and you can check the inside. We have inside here many seats because of course this is in minifigure scale and you can place minifigures inside. From here you can also see this hatch that can be opened and closed. Here you can see it also from the bottom. Here we have a stopper, so it can't go inside more than this. Let's close the roof because from here you can see we have this little system where you can connect a rope and the rope will go out from this hole. Then we have many details here on the bottom. Here we have chaff launchers, one here, one here. On the back we have the rear hatch that can be opened, obviously. Open this way and then you can also extend it more like this. Very nice. Okay, here we have a door to go inside. You can see also the inside from here. You can see the inside from here. The cockpit is identical to the CH-47, so you can check the other video. Here we have some extra parts that you can use to customize your helicopter. This one goes on this side where you can remove this part and connect this one instead for the troops here. These are weapons. One can go here on the back where you can remove this part and you can connect this Gatling gun. These other two, one is the Gatling gun and the other one is a heavy machine gun, like Metal Slug. Did you play this game? And you can decide which one you like most. In my case, we may use maybe the heavy machine gun because the Gatling gun was already used here. And this one can be connected here. Disconnect 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts and open this window like this, and then you can connect this one here. As you maybe noticed, we have a ball joint so you can aim the weapons in every direction. And that's it with the very fast recap. Everything else again is present also on the other one, and you can check the main video for the full review of the other features. And that's it for today's video. I leave you with this beautiful view of all my 1 to 35 scale helicopters. All the helicopters I've made at this scale. Maybe one of them is your favorite helicopter ever. And if not, let me know in the comments which one is missing that you really like. If I see many comments asking for the same model, probably will be my next one. For example, one of my next helicopters, little spoiler, will probably be the MH-17. It's a cargo helicopter and I found a comment about it many times. While another one kinda requested, even though not so much as the Mi-17, is the Tiger attack helicopter. Can be another helicopter I'll make in the future, but again, let me know in the comments what you want to see next, so when I have to make a new design, I can pick one from the comments I read. And now that's really everything. I stop here. See you again next time with a new video and a new project. Bye!